everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take a sheet and then fold it from all the edges out of it, and then again turn it over and fold it as shown in the video. It will look like this. Now fold the edges out of it one by one and then open it nicely, and then take the edges and make the edges out of it as shown in the video and open it nicely. It will look like this. Now fold it inside it and then it will look like this, and open it nicely from all the sides. Now repeat the process from all the sides and then open it nicely, and keep making the edges out of it, and then again fold it into half from the bottom side as it will start looking like this. Now keep doing the process until it will start looking like this, and open it nicely and gently with the help of your fingers. By fixing it all together, it's done. For the next one, take a sheet and then fold it nicely from all the sides and paste it. Now fold the edges out of it and then open it nicely. Now take the sheet and then again fold it into half from the middle and fold the edges out of it as shown in the video. Now paste it nicely with the help of a tape and then paste it all together from all the two sides as it will look like this. Now hold the edge of it and then open the rest of it as shown in the video. Put some cute little glitter inside it and paste it all together. It's done. For the next one, take a sheet and fold it from two sides and then again fold it from another side. Now fold the edges out of it as shown in the video and fold it very nicely into the half. Now take another edges of it and fold it all together until it will start looking like this. Now turn it over again and then fold the edges as shown in the video from both the sides. It will look like this. Now again turn it over and fold the edges out of it into the small sleeve, and then again fold it into half as it will start looking like this. Now attach it nicely and then repeat the whole process very nicely and gently. Now make another of it and attach it all together. It will look like this. Now paste the cute little string in between as shown in the video, and it's all done. It's a cute little gift box. For the next one, take a sheet and then fold it from two sides. Now fold the edges out of it and then turn it over and then again fold the edges. Now again turn it over and then fold it as shown in the video. Now fold it from all the sides and then repeat the process very nicely and gently. Now take the middle portion of a sheet and keep folding it into the small lines and open it nicely and slowly. It will look like this. Now bring it all together and paste it in the middle. Now take another portion of a sheet, fold it, and it's all done. It's cute, right? For this one, take a sheet and fold it from all the sides. Now fold it nicely and then open it as it will look like this. And by opening it, you will see the structure like this, and fold it nicely into the half. Now again repeat the process from all the sides of a sheet as shown in the video, and then keep folding it until it will start looking like this. Once you are complete with that, fold it very nicely from all the sides and then open it all together with the help of your thumb and paste it all together nicely. Now again take the smaller sections out of it and open it nicely and fold it into half as shown in the video. Now keep repeating the process very nicely and slowly, and do it very sleekly so that it should be looking like this. Now repeat the process from all the sides and then cut the tip of it as shown, and then cut the edges out of it with the help of a scissor very nicely and gently. Now open it all together as it will look like this. Now make two out of it and then take another one and make the small cuts on the middle of it, and open it nicely and gently, and then fold it very nicely from all the sides as it should be looking like this. Now keep folding it and then take another of it and paste it with the help of a glue as shown in the video onto each other. Now keep pasting it and put a straw in between, and then your cute little umbrella is all done. Fix it properly with the help of the another sheet, and it's all done. It's cute, right? For the next one, take a sheet and then fold the edges out of it as shown in the video, and then fold it very nicely and gently from all the sides. Now turn it over and then again fold the edges into the half and then another half. It will look like this. Now again turn it over and then fold it into half. Now make so many out of it of different colors and keep attaching it onto each other with the help of a sheet only. It will look like this. Now take a sheet and make the straw out of it and attach it nicely. Now take another sheet, fold it into half and then another half. Now open it all together and cut it from the middle as shown in the video. Now make the small cuts all over it as shown and cut the edges out of it. Now open it. It will look like this. Now take it and make the small cuts all over the edges as shown in the video. Cut out the extra and then take the side of it and then fold it into half and then another half. Now repeat the process on another side too, as it should be looking like a bow, and paste it, and it's all done. For the next one, take a sheet and then fold it as shown in the video. Now start folding the edges out of it very nicely and then open it all together and fold it inside out. Now repeat the process on another side too, and then take each string and fold it into half and then fold it as shown. It will be looking like this. Now cut it from the middle and then turn it over again and fold it into half, and then take this sheet and fold it into half all over it as it will be looking like this. Now take this sheet and fold the edges out of it as it will look like this. Now do it as shown in the video and repeat each and every process so that the result will come out great and it's done. For the next one, take a sheet and fold the edges out of it very nicely and keep folding it. Now repeat the process from all the sides and then turn it over and then fold the edges out of it. It will look like this. Now open it all together and then open it nicely and bring it all together. Now make so many out of it of different colors and paste it all together. It will look like this. Now bring it all together, paste it nicely, and it's all done. It's very cute, right? Thanks for watching.